Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Feed a Brainrot. This activity involves engaging with or creating highly repetitive, easily digestible content, often found online. Your primary goal is to continuously consume or produce these short, attention-grabbing pieces. We will cover the initial setup, how to identify suitable content, and strategies for maximizing your engagement. Get ready to dive into the world of rapid content consumption and creation. The core mechanics of Feed a Brainrot revolve around quick, continuous engagement. You'll primarily interact with short-form videos, memes, or brief text snippets. Aim to spend at least 3 to 5 seconds on each piece of content to register its impact. Look for patterns, recurring sounds, or visually striking elements that keep your attention. The more repetitive and easily digestible the content, the better it is for feeding your brain rot. Progression in Feed a Brainrot is measured by your sustained engagement. You can track your progress by counting the number of distinct content pieces you've consumed or generated. Aim for continuous streaks of interaction to achieve higher scores and unlock new levels of brain rot content. As you advance, you might discover more niche or intense forms of repetitive media, keeping the experience fresh and engaging for longer periods. To master Feed a Brainrot, consider diversifying your content sources. Explore different platforms and creators to keep the flow of new, repetitive media constant. A fun advanced strategy is to try creating your own short, attention-grabbing content to feed others. Sharing your most effective brain rot discoveries with friends can also amplify the experience, turning it into a communal activity. Remember, the goal is continuous, low-effort engagement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.